Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to track order in Shopify. So in order to do this, just you have to go to online store. Now click on pages. Now here you have to add the page. So just simply when you load the page, just type the track record here, and after that just click here and now paste the code here. You can easily copy this code from Google or search from it. Now after that just click on save button, and now here you can find we have successfully added this page. Now you can visit this link and copy this code also. So after that just go to navigation and here click on main menu, and now here add the track order page here. So simply just you can see track order page is available here. So just select them. Now select it here. So after that click on save button and now type the code and you can easily track order in Shopify.